Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to download Fortnite on any iPad in 2025. Of course, step 1 will be open Safari browser. This would be the first step. And make sure your connection is stable. I suggest going for Wi-Fi and not your data. Now visit the official Fortnite website. This is going to be it. And to make sure it's going to be official, I'm going to show you something really awesome here. Let me just open this one up. So every time I download or visit a website, I want to use the NordVPN link checker. So just paste the link there, click on analyze right there, and then it says you are now currently browsing a safe website. You can also check a file right there. Now going back on the tutorial, once you have downloaded the Fortnite, choose your iOS as your platform. Let me just go in here and show you how it looks like. Right there, and opening it up this one, let's visit this website. So once you're in here, search up Fortnite, alright? So I'm just gonna type in Fortnite here. And now look for the one that says Fortnite OG or OG Builder. Choose the one that you want right there, and basically, if I want this one right here, you can download or choose your platform for iOS. Make sure you have iOS right there. Now going back here, sign in or create your Epic Games account, just log in. Use your cloud gaming services if not available for Epic, of course. Add the cloud gaming web to your home screen. Basically, add to home screen for a shortcut. Launch Fortnite via the cloud gaming application, and basically use a Bluetooth controller for better experience. I always use a controller, not a keypad or anything else. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.